Welcome back in Sagar Kadam Sir Engineering Academy's video series that guaranteed you will clear all concept without any doubt. As under this series we are going to discuss today work. In dynamics, as work is very important term. So what is that work? In statics we discuss a physical quantity as by which there is a motion. Okay, when that physical quantity act on the body either in the form of push or pull, which changes or tend to change a state of rest or uniform motion of the body, we call that as a force. Okay, so when that force act on the body, what happened to body? As body undergoes displacement. Under the action of force, body displaced. Then we say work is done. Okay, when force act on the body and body undergoes displacement, then we say work is done. Here I apply force on a board, but there is no displacement. At that time, force is there, but displacement 0, therefore no work done. So work done is a product of force into displacement. Work done is a product of force into displacement, as it is a definition, but not applicable to solve numericals. Why? Let's check this with this example. On this body, a force F is acting. On this body, force F is acting. Under the action of force, body displaced for displacement D. But tell me, this body moving on which plane? This body is moving on a horizontal plane. So displacement also horizontal. Is it right? Therefore, in this case, work done is F into D is not correct. For that, we have to resolve this force along two components. You know resolution. It is a force into cos theta and this is a force into sin theta. And keep in mind, okay, throughout engineering, to calculate work, which force we have to consider? Not all. Only those forces which are parallel to plane on which body is moving. Consider only those forces which are parallel to plane on which body is moving. So here which force parallel to plane on which body is moving? So F cos theta is a force which is a parallel to plane. Is it right? And therefore in this case work done is F cos theta into D. Work done is F cos theta into D. Is it clear? Okay, don't forget to calculate work, consider only those forces which are parallel to plane on which body is moving. Okay. So correct definition of work done is, it is a product of component of force in direction of motion and displacement in direction of motion. In other words, motion horizontal. Therefore, we consider force as well as displacement both horizontal. Now, sign convention for this work done. Sign convention for this work done. So, for that purpose, yes, body is moving on horizontal plane having displacement D. But it is moving towards left under the action of force F1 and F2. So in work done, which force we have to consider? Only those which are parallel, means this one and this one. Is it clear? Getting everyone? Now how much work done by this F1? Is it plus or minus? As for that we have to compare with motion. Is it left? We know that left is negative. But in Fx, work done is a product. Work done is a product of force and displacement. Where displacement, it clear by this motion direction left. and F1 also left. Means left they have same nature, same arrow. Therefore their work done is taken as positive outside bracket. That positive is outside bracket. Inside bracket, for work done, force and displacement always positive. And F2. F2, is it opposite to motion? Yes, clearly right, left, opposite. Therefore, work done is F2 into D. So is it clear sign convention? Force and motion same direction, work done positive. Force and motion opposite direction, work done negative. Okay, so this is a work done which is measured in joule. To solve numerical using work energy principle, we require this concept of work done. Thank you.